fate keeps on pulling me closer to you. Is it alright to speak in my mind? It's pretty much all I ever do. We're playing with the dogs out front, waiting in a long line. Late nights with the band at the Double Crown. Blame it on the low lights, blame it on a honky tonk. You're just like a dog, can't put you down. Told you I don't dance, said you ain't your kind of man. So I was two-stepping and I shagging like a blue ribbon crow, spinning you around and staring you down. How close is that too? Come on, honey, let's go. You're playing with the dogs out front, waiting on the long line. At nights with the band of Double Crown. Blame it on the low lights, blame it on the honky tonk. You're just like a bottle, can't put you down. Thinking about the rest of my life, I wasn't even thinking at all. Goddamn, this feeling ain't messing around. So blame it on the low lights, blame it on a honky tonk. Just like a bottle, can't put you down. Just like a bottle, can't put you down. Oh, I'm drunk on you, darling, can't put you down. Well, hi there, pluckers. Arthur Sawfingers back with you again for hopefully another interesting little ditty. This is a new one on me. It's a song called Double Crown from a band called Susto Stringband, who are sort of a bluegrass country band. Okay, lovely little ditty from them. Hope you enjoyed that, and join me for the breakdown in a couple of days' time. Obviously, just had to change the instrumental bits around a bit, because obviously there's fiddle players and mandolins and stuff going on, which obviously I hadn't got with me. So you're stuck with me trying to make up bits and pieces on the guitar. So see you in a couple of days. Bye for now.